Have you ever paused to consider what true wealth and happiness really mean? What if the secrets to achieving both lie not in conventional pursuits, but in understanding our own minds and choices? In the Almanack of Naval Ravikant, A Guide to Wealth and Happiness, Eric Jorgensen brilliantly compiles the profound insights of entrepreneur and thinker Naval Ravikant, revealing wisdom that has the power to transform our approach to life and success. At the heart of the book are two intertwined themes: the quest for wealth and the pursuit of genuine happiness. Naval challenges the traditional notion that wealth is merely the accumulation of money. Instead, he presents wealth as a state of being that involves creating and delivering value. He posits that true wealth emerges from honing our unique skills and knowledge, allowing them to compound over time. This perspective encourages us to shift our focus from the fleeting pursuit of money to building systems that generate lasting impact and satisfaction. When it comes to happiness, Naval argues that it is largely a product of self-awareness and intentionality. He asserts that happiness is a choice we can make, one that often requires us to break free from societal pressures and focus on what truly resonates with us as individuals. Through practices like mindfulness and gratitude, we can cultivate an enduring sense of fulfillment that transcends external circumstances and the chaos of modern life. One of the cornerstone concepts introduced by Naval is specific knowledge. This unique knowledge comes from our personal experiences, interests, and passions, elements that cannot be easily taught in traditional educational settings. Naval highlights that embracing our specific knowledge allows us to create opportunities that align with our true selves, leading to a more fulfilling life and career. This idea is liberating, as it encourages us to pursue paths that may diverge from societal norms. A compelling analogy Naval employs is that of sailing your own ship. In this metaphor, life is envisioned as an expansive ocean, and each individual possesses their own vessel, symbolizing their distinct journey and potential. The winds of opportunity and circumstance may guide us, but we must take the helm. This imagery underscores the importance of taking charge of our destinies, steering our ships toward our own goals rather than drifting along with the currents of others' expectations. Throughout the book, Naval shares powerful quotes that resonate deeply. One such quote states, "Desire is a contract that you make with yourself to be unhappy until you get what you want." This thought-provoking statement highlights how our desires can often lead to perpetual dissatisfaction. By recognizing and managing our desires, we can learn to cultivate contentment in the present, rather than allowing our happiness to hinge on future outcomes. The Almanack of Naval Ravikant is not just a book for entrepreneurs or those seeking financial success. It offers practical insights for anyone looking to improve their lives. Whether you're a student, a professional, or simply someone on a journey of self-discovery, the lessons within these pages are universally applicable. Naval encourages us to identify our unique strengths and leverage them to create value, rather than merely following conventional paths to success. Reflecting on the wisdom contained in this book leaves us with a profound realization: happiness and wealth are not external pursuits. They are internal states of being. The journey toward a fulfilling life begins with a deep understanding of our own values and priorities, empowering us to carve our unique paths based on authenticity and purpose. As you ponder the real-world applications of Naval's insights, consider how you might integrate his teachings into your daily life. Are there areas where you can let go of unproductive desires and focus on what truly matters? How can you identify and utilize your specific knowledge to create meaningful value in your personal or professional life? This is an invitation to reassess your aspirations and align them with what genuinely brings you joy and satisfaction. If this exploration of the Almanack of Naval Ravikant resonated with you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content. We delve into transformative ideas and practical wisdom that can enhance your life, one book at a time. Every book offers the potential to shift your mindset and inspire your journey. And remember, keep books over mind.